Welcome to a journey into the unknown. Since the dawn of history, humanity has faced strange events, unexplained phenomena, and puzzles that defy logic. Some of these mysteries have haunted scientists for decades, while others remain stories whispered among locals. Today we'll explore some of the most fascinating unsolved mysteries that still have no clear explanation. Get ready, because what you're about to hear might change the way you look at the world. In the small desert town of Taos, New Mexico, residents began reporting something unusual in the early 1990s. A strange humming sound, a low-frequency buzz, almost like the distant engine of a diesel truck. But here's the creepy part. Not everyone can hear it. For some people, it's constant and unbearable, so distracting that it affects sleep and daily life. For others, there's nothing at all. Scientists tried investigating. They brought in sensitive audio equipment. Sometimes the devices detected faint vibrations, but most of the time, nothing showed up. Theories range from hidden radio signals, underground geological activity, to even mass hallucination. But the mystery remains unsolved. In fact, some residents actually moved away from Taos because they simply couldn't stand the endless hum. Perhaps the most famous mystery of all, the Bermuda Triangle. Located between Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda, this stretch of ocean has been linked to countless disappearances of ships and aircraft. The most famous case is Flight 19 in 1945. 5 U.S. Navy planes vanished during a routine training mission. A rescue plane sent after them also disappeared. None of them were ever found. Over the decades, explanations have ranged from unusual ocean currents, powerful methane gas eruptions, violent storms, to even theories about time warps and alien abductions. Modern navigation has reduced accidents in the area, but the reputation remains. To this day, the Bermuda Triangle is known as the graveyard of the Atlantic. In 1997, microphones hidden deep in the Pacific Ocean, part of the U.S. Navy's surveillance system, picked up an enormous sound. It was so loud it was detected thousands of miles away. Scientists nicknamed it the bloop. Here's the catch. The sound's frequency pattern looked very similar to that of a living creature, but the volume was far too powerful for any known animal. To put it into perspective, even the blue whale, the largest creature ever to exist, couldn't make a sound that massive. Some suggest it was icebergs cracking apart in Antarctica. Others insist it must have been some kind of undiscovered sea monster. Even today, the true source of the bloop remains one of the greatest underwater mysteries. Along the Mekong River in Thailand and Laos, every October, something breathtaking happens. Locals gather by the riverbanks at night to witness glowing fireballs rising from the water and shooting into the sky. They call it the breath of the mythical serpent Naga. The fireballs are small, red, and completely silent. They appear only on certain nights of the year, and only in this specific region. Scientists have suggested theories like burning swamp gas, trick lighting, or even staged fireworks. But no explanation fully accounts for the timing, location, and behavior of the fireballs. To the local people, it remains a sacred event, a gift from the river itself.